bathroom. I just thought I'd come on and show you a mini shopping haul. Right, first of all, I got these buttons. I wanted some bespoke buttons for my daughter's pinafore. She likes the sausage dogs, and I'm lining the bib part of it in the sausage dog material, and I wanted some buttons to match, and I managed to get these. You can see the little sausage dogs. I got 8 of those for $3.99, so that wasn't bad, and they're going to go on the pinafore. Then I got some name tags, and you can see, and it says Handmade with Love by Julie Page, and I was going to put those in some of the clothes that I make, so that's always fun. Then we haven't had a fabric shop in our area for a good year. They all closed down round about when COVID started, so we were relying on Hobbycraft, and they don't seem to add anything to their stock. Months go by and nothing changes. And I wanted some black corduroy for my daughter's pinafore, and I went in there, and they only had choice of black or red, so I went for the black. And when I took it to the till, I said I needed 3 meters, and she said, well, we've only got 1.7. So I said, oh, well, I said, have you got any round the back, or are you getting any in? She said, oh, I don't know. So I had to leave it, so I had to go online and buy it. So I was really happy when we realised that this week we had a new shop open in Aylesbury, a fabric shop called A&M Fabrics, and apparently there's about 4 or 5 of them in Buckinghamshire. So we were really chuffed. So me and my daughter decided to visit there yesterday, and well, we weren't too disappointed. They didn't have everything we needed, but they're still setting up, so we'll let them off.
So we're going to the fabric shop.
Oh, exciting.
Yes, very. It's interesting. It's a new one. It's only just opened.
Like literally on Monday, and it's Wednesday.
2 days ago. So yes, I'm going to turn you around so I can show you what it looks like.
I'll show you what I got. I got some much needed iron-on interfacing, which is handy for when I'm doing the collars and bibs and things for the little ones. I've got some elastic, and that's always good because I'm going to make some bloomers for the little ones, so that's for around their legs. And some much needed needled threaders. They're always handy, and they break very easily. I then got this lovely cotton, really nice cotton fabric, and I got 1/2 metre because it was $4.99 a metre. So I got 1/2 metre, but that's got the constellation on it. And I was going to make a cushion for my grandson, who's coming up for 4, and he loves the stars and the moon, so I thought that'd be nice to make him a cushion. And then I wanted to do some Christmas bunting, a bit like that bunting behind me, but in Christmas fabric. So I picked up 1 metre of the reindeers and 1 metre of the stockings and the candy sticks, and I thought they'll go really nice together, so I thought that'll make nice bunting. So I'm going to do that, and they were $3.99 a metre. Then I wanted to make myself a Harper cardigan because the pattern's free and it was recommended by, I think it's Behind Pink Door. So I downloaded the pattern, and then I went in and I got this fabric here. So it's very heavy. It's got stretch in it. I don't know what it is. It feels a bit synthetic, but it's quite thick. It's quite heavy, and I thought it'll make a nice Harper cardigan. So I'm going to try that out. He did have some knits. This was $8.99 a metre. He did have some lovely knit, but they were £15 a metre, and I thought the pattern said I needed 3 metres, and I thought that's £45. That's ridiculous. Especially if I make a mistake. So I thought I'd go for the cheaper option and get this, and I got 2.5 metres, and fingers crossed it'll be enough. So that was my shopping haul. Then I got some more on eBay. I got some more of this fabric I've been waiting for from China. to finish off, do the last pinafore dress for my granddaughters. I've done 2 and I wanted to do, that's for the year-old and the 18-month-old I've done. But I had to get the fabric from, so I don't know if you can see, it's slightly different. This one is pink, whereas this one's more peach. So it's not quite the same, but it'll have to do because that's the only place I could get it from. So, and then I've washed it now. I've got this Minecraft, put it the right way, Minecraft fabric, which is going to go in the inside of my grandson's hoodie, who's 15. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch up with you soon. Bye.